Today we're at Ruth Lake Country Club in Hinsdale, Illinois. The course was built in 1922, private 18-hole golf course. Original designer was Langford and Moreau. It's been since renovated by Arthur Hills and just recently by Drew Rogers. We have some rolling terrain. It's got some movement to it. Illinois is known for being flat, but we have a little bit of movement out here, which is kind of nice for a Chicago Parkland-style golf course. We're mowing. We're double cutting and rolling quite a bit on our greens, almost daily, and the wear doesn't really show up, so we're doing that quite a bit. Fairways we're mowing 4 days a week, tees 3 days a week. We're top dressing these greens every 2 weeks with sand, and they're probably getting some kind of a application on them every 2 weeks. So it's just a pretty steady Eddie type of program. So in '04 we renovated our greens to A1 bent grass. It's really done extremely well for us. I couldn't ask for a better grass. I know there's a lot of newer varieties out since then, but in '04 it was the variety that a lot of guys were going to, and we haven't missed a beat since we put it in. It's really been fantastic for us. We've been able to keep the greens pretty POA free. The A1s really help crowd it out, and so we're lucky to still have almost 100% bent grass on our greens. I'm not a fan of POA. I'm trying to keep it out, and the bent grass is way more predictable. You can push it a lot harder. You know exactly what you're getting on a daily basis. So, to be quite honest with you, our greens are what we worry about the least, since they are 100% bent grass still. We might worry about some areas where there's some POA, but with A1 on our greens, we can sleep a lot better at night. We chose A1. We knew in advance we were going to do a renovation, so we did a nursery a couple years in advance, and we picked all different types of grasses. In all of our trials and our plots, from spring green up to summer stress to throughout the fall, those grasses looked the best, or A1 looked the best. We did a new putting greens tee complex in A1 in 2015, and then just recently, this spring, we seeded our 18th green complex, our 18th green, into A1 bent grass. It just, for us, doesn't make sense to change varieties. It just performed well for us, and there's not really a need to, like I said, not a need to change. The members really like the greens. They love their, how consistent they are. We have USGA greens and we have push-up greens. They really can't tell the difference between the two. We're a Langford course, but a lot of the Langford has been lost, so it's not like we're trying to keep this Langford gem in place. We're just trying to build and maintain a really nice course that people enjoy playing every day.